fifth grade bus riders. Several of you have reached out to me wanting to help keep others on our buses safe and make sure that we're following our bus rules. I have mentioned to some of you that we're going to open up an application process to be a bus monitor. This is a really special opportunity for just fifth graders. So we're actually looking for leaders, people that can help keep our buses safe by giving others reminders about our bus rules, be encouraging and positive, and wanting to take on a leadership opportunity just to help our school. So I have given your teachers an application that you can fill out to apply to be a bus monitor. So here's what it takes to be a bus monitor for Jackson Elementary. So you need to be someone that rides the bus, either in the morning or the afternoon, and you must be a fifth grader. You have to list 2 of your best leadership traits. What do you think that you have that could help you be a really good leader on the bus for others? And then give us 2 reasons why you think you would be a good leader on the bus, a good bus monitor. Another thing that you're going to have is a recommendation from a teacher. So one of your classroom teachers or related arts teacher will need to fill this out and say, yes, I recommend this student to be a bus monitor, and I believe they show the leadership qualities that could help them be successful. Have the adults sign the application, and then you can turn it into your classroom teacher, or you can turn it in directly to me. These applications are going to be due by Friday, September 16th. We'll review the applications, and then we'll hold a training for all those who are selected to be bus monitors. Thank you for your willingness to help keep yourself and others safe on the bus, and I can't wait to read your applications.